Hello everyone. Now I'm going to share with you on how to do the shoulder roll or combat roll in Arnis, especially using or holding the stick or holding this ulisi, or you call it baston. Arnis stick, ulisi, baston. Right. So,
can I go join you?
of course, baby. Yeah. Okay, let's get this started, okay? So this is the Arnis shoulder roll, the Arnis combat roll,
But how did I do
or
it?
simply said,
How did I do it?
rolling.
So how did I do it?
Okay.
How did I do it, Mama?
Yeah, like this. You have to follow. Oh, be careful. Watch out. So I'm a right-handed.
Is this the right hand?
No. Yeah, left foot back, right foot. So I'm a right-handed.
I'm the right handed.
So my right foot is in front of me,
My foot is in front of me.
and then my left hand, I'm going to place my left hand over.
But I can't.
Yeah. Just don't do it, Mega. Especially it's here. It's not safe here, okay? It's hard, okay? In the concrete. So my garrote hand is inside. My left hand is outside. Okay? And chin in. Tuck your chin in. See? Chin in. And then when I lift my lower body up, focus your sight behind. So look at your behind, meaning you protect your head inside, and then use your right shoulder to roll. Okay, and go. There.
Whoa.
Okay, you can see that. Okay, I'm doing do it again. See here.
Papa, how are you mean? Are you here?
So
Papa, are you here?
yeah, there.
Are you here?
So I'm right-handed.
Papa, and this is
My right
me.
foot is in front,
Papa, this is me and here.
and then my right hand is inside.
Step over here.
My left hand is outside. See? The garrote hand is inside. The left hand is outside. Chin in. Then when I lift my lower body up, focus your sight behind.
Ready? Let go.
And then use your right shoulder to roll and
Go.
roll.
Oh, you look down here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So there you have it. That's how to do a Arnis rolling. Now I'm going to do in here. Mika, come here. No. Come here, baby. Mika, no, it will disturb Papa here. So from here, Mika. So from here, my right foot is in front of me. My garrote hand is inside. My left hand is outside. Okay, chin in. Okay, chin in. Lift your body up. Focus your sight behind, and then roll. There. If you notice, I use my left leg or left foot as my lever. I am right-handed, so my left foot is my lever. My right foot is still in front of me. It makes me get up easily or quickly. Right?
Slide.
There you have it. So I'm going to do it one more time. Micah, be careful of the phone. Going down. I'm going to show you going behind. Okay? So from here, like that. And then like this. The garrote hand is inside. The left hand is outside. Chin in. Lift your body up. Focus your sight behind. See? Focus and then roll. There. So there you have it. That's how to do the Arnis rolling, the combat roll or shoulder roll, while holding the Arnis stick or the garote or the olisi or the baston. Alright, so please don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel, Fitness Fanatic, for more self-defense, defense tactics. Whoa.